What's up, everybody? This is Eric, the Tech Preacher from AskEazyComputerSolutions. So audio is very important, and I've been trying to do these DIY projects to kind of help my viewers, even some up-and-coming YouTubers, as far as audio and filmmaking and stuff like that, right? And I found this little hack. I'm quite sure it's not a hack, but I found something that I use using my wireless mic and another mic here to kind of enhance your audio. So I'm going to explain that in this video. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So audio is very important. And I discovered this little hack that's kind of helping me out, and I want to bring it to you guys. It's not really a hack. I'm quite sure that a lot of people do this. And so I have a lot of vlogging mics all over the place, right? I got the mobile mic, I got the Rode video mic, and I just made a video about the Rode wireless mic. Well, one of the problems of having the wireless mic is that it's pinned on you. And what if you had somebody else in the room, or you doing interview style or something like that, or you just want to get a overhead mic, like a boom pole and a mic? If you go online and you look at how much boom poles and professional mics are, it's very expensive, right? I mean, come on, man, you go spend, $500-600 if you want to get the complete package, a professional miking system and stuff like that. Well, I already got vlogging mics, and I got the Rode video mic, the wireless mic, right? And I thought to myself, what if I take my my mic, this is the Rode mic, and I got the mobile mic, and plug it up to my wireless mic, and with a $20 boom pole, which I got this from Amazon for $20, and now I got an overhead scenario, and I could put this out of scene and have this pointing down, and I could get extremely good audio. And I'm gonna tell you why I like this scenario. Now, I shoot with Canon cameras. The preamps on Canon cameras are not that great, and the audio suffers really bad when you're using the preamps on Canon cameras. So what I do is I take them and I crank them all the way down, especially when I'm using my wireless mic. So right now, I'm using the wireless mic cranked all the way up plus 12 dB. And on my camera in manual audio, I got it cranked all the way down, and I got it 2 steps up. That's it. And so what this is using the wireless mics as a preamp, and it's giving this mic all the way to the camera, so I don't have to have my boom pole kind of close to the camera, and I don't have to get extension 3.5 mil jacks and stuff like that. So in this scenario, I can have this overhead, and this could be out of the way, and this works great, especially if I have 2 people here, we talking, and you could capture both voices very clear. Now, look, here's the thing. Again, the boom pole that I got cost me $20. I already got like vlogging mics already. Now, the Rode video mic will cost you about $60, and the mobile mic will cost you about $40. Now, don't get me wrong, the most expensive part of this piece is the wireless Rode mic, which costs $200. All right, so I made a video about it. A lot of people was telling me that they already had the Rode video mic, wireless mic, so they were like, all right, cool, I already got the wireless mic already, because everybody know how important audio is. But on the wireless mic itself, it has a 3.5 jack on there that you could plug up lav mics, external mics like that. And I thought to myself, well, let me go and build myself my own cheap boom pole, because I don't want to spend another $500 or $600 on a mic system, because I already have mics. So I think this is a very good deal here, especially this, like I say, this pole mic right here, this boom mic only cost me $20. And so this scenario right here is great. So if you already have the wireless Rode mic, and you have like a mobile vlogging mic or the Rode Video Go mic, and you can use this scenario to your advantage. Now, what if you don't have this? You can just connect a lav mic to it, and just kind of get that a little close to you so you can get that good audio. So this scenario right here works great. So now I can have my camera way over there, and I can use my wireless mic, and I can have my boom pole anywhere if I want to do an interview or anything in between, and this works great. And I can just raise it up and I can get it out of the frame. I can kind of move this out of the way. And now in this scenario, and I'm just kind of showing you guys because you can actually move this pole back, and now you can have that here and you could get this out of the frame. It works out great. I mean, this works out really good. So if you want to do talking head videos, or if you streaming and you want an overhead mic instead of a mic or pinned on you or something like that, I think this is a great solution. So I just wanted to kind of make this video talk about how the video Rogue mic, the wireless one, and some other little hackery tools that you can use in your arsenal, stuff that you might already have, and you can make this work. Now, granted, it's not the professional looking. I mean, I got it hanging on, the Rogue wireless mic hanging on with a strap here. And the reason why is because you have to charge the wireless mic. So I could just pull this off and I could put it on USB type C and go on and charge it. And I could put it right back on, and now I have a good mic. This is Eric, the tech preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. The most expensive part of this DIY project is the wireless mic. Now that's the most expensive part of this project, but if you can find one used, or you can find one on sale for 150 bucks or 99 bucks or whatever, or you can find a third party, you don't have to go with Rogue wireless mics. You can find one for a cheaper price. I think this scenario works great because you can always utilize these mics if you want to vlog, like on your camera. So you always utilize these mics anytime you want to do camera reviews, if you want to do vlogs or something like that, and you want to use the mic on top of your camera. It works great like this. All right. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Remember, audio is very important. Very important audio. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.